Google search CrackU free CAT mocks. Click on the first link. You can attempt 3 latest mocks in the actual exam interface. After completing the test, you get detailed solutions, analysis, and percentile along with your scorecard to gauge your All India performance. Click on the solutions to get video solutions from our expert faculty.
Hello friends, welcome to CrackU video series. Today we are going to discuss about how tough is the CAT examination. So if you are a CAT 2022 aspirant and not yet started with the preparation or have just begun with the preparation, you might be wondering how tough is the CAT examination, what is the difficulty level of each of the 3 sections. So this video is all about that. So let's get started. How tough is the CAT examination? Now the CAT has 3 different sections. First is the verbal ability and reading comprehension section, the English section. Second is the data interpretation and logical reasoning section. This section primarily revolves around puzzle solving and data interpretation questions. And third is the quantitative ability section. So if you look at the verbal section, in the verbal section there are basically 2 parts. One is the verbal ability and the second is the reading comprehension section. And this reading comprehension comprises about 70% of this section. So if you are into a habit of reading newspapers, novels or books from a very young age, you will not find this section very difficult because this is what the section tests. It tests your comprehension skills. So you will be given a passage and there will be a few questions which follow the passage, and the questions will test how good you understood the passage. It won't be very fact extensive. Well, there will be some fact based questions, but the purpose is not that you should know each and every fact that was mentioned in the passage. You should understand what the passage wants to say to you, what is the opinion of the author, and some other important facts that that justify some of the arguments of the author. So if, as I mentioned, if you are someone who is already into the habit of reading, you won't find this paper that difficult. But if you are not into the habit of reading, well, it is advisable that you start right now, because reading alone will help you a lot in this section. Second, data interpretation. Well, aspirants often say that this is the most difficult section of CAT. This is because the CAT has been constantly increasing the difficulty level in this section over the past 2 to 3 years, and candidates often face very unexpected situations in this paper. Just like last year, the CAT gave a mix of 4 question sets and 6 question sets, and candidates were not very sure about which sets to start with. So this is a section where you will get unexpected situations and you need to be ready to tackle them. This section will primarily test your puzzle solving skills. There are different sorts of puzzles. It's not only Sudokus. There will be certain puzzles like team selection or games and tournaments or even coin picking. Several types of puzzles. There will even be certain non-conventional sets. So you need to solve those sets in a given amount of time. Also, there will be data interpretation questions, some of which might be calculation intensive. So the purpose of this is to let you know what are the different things that this section tests. So if you are someone who likes puzzle solving, who loves data interpretation, like working with data and arranging data and arranging a set of information that has been given to you to arrive at the answer of certain questions, you will find this section easy. If not, start solving puzzles right away, and in a few days you will get used to it and you'll get a good grasp of this section. The third is the quantitative ability section. This is very much a mathematical section. Mostly this is 10th level maths, but there are very few concepts about +2. If you are someone who is well acquainted with the quantitative aptitude questions, like questions on work distance, work time, distance, speed and time, questions on percentages, questions on arithmetic, algebra. So if you are well acquainted with these type of questions, if you have been solving these questions for quite some time for various reasons, you will find this section pretty easy. If not, start working on them, because the more you practice in this section, the better you become. Now, having discussed all 3 sections, I would like to mention that the difficulty level is a very subjective term. You cannot put a certain mark to the difficulty level because it will depend on each student, on the preparation of each student and how acquainted is a student with the topics. So having said that, the primary purpose of this video was to give you an overview of the toughness or the difficulty level of each and every section of the CAT. So that you can get started with it. Do check out CrackU's 2022 CAT course. You can also take 3 free mocks at our website. Plus, you can check out previous year CAT papers in our website. As far as CAT papers are concerned, there are two ways in which you can take them. First, you can download the PDF and see the questions and solve them. Second, you can appear in an exam environment just like you appear in the CAT. So you can give the paper in the similar environment, like it will be an exam and you are sitting in that examination. Do check out these resources. The links to all these resources are given in the description section of this video. Make sure that you check them out. Hope you found this video helpful. Wish you all the best for CAT 2022. Thank you.